They have to start sweeping these floors, God.
Yeah, these puddles, they're really...
They're not
Awful.
puddles, they're a whole lake. What do you expect?
Yeah.
Where do you think we should go? Let's go to our office.
So what floor are you going to go to?
Level 4. Which floor are you going to?
Floor 2.
Okay. Breaking news. In Canopy Maps, the monsters have escaped. Stay in your house and be safe. Bye.